Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to Honest Review for You, the place where we explore the coolest gadgets, smartest gear, and budget-friendly finds on Amazon. Today, we're diving deep into the world of everyday carry, but not just any EDC. We're talking about the best compact and efficient keychain tools that are small enough to fit in your pocket, yet strong enough to get you out of almost any situation. These little powerhouses are the unsung heroes of everyday life, perfect for opening packages, fixing a loose screw, cutting rope, or even surviving in the wild. And the best part? Every single one of them is affordable, lightweight, and built to last. So whether you're a traveler, a camper, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves clever gadgets, get ready. Because these 10 compact tools will make your keychain smarter, your pockets lighter, and your life a whole lot easier. Let's jump right in. Number 1. KeySmart Key Carabiner. This compact tool is all about organization and accessibility. Made from high-strength stainless steel, the KeySmart Carabiner is designed to keep your keys, gear, and small EDC items neatly secured in one place. The double-gated locking system means you can attach your keys to one side and clip the other onto your belt, bag, or backpack. It's quick, easy, and reliable. No more key jingling or losing them at the bottom of your bag. And what really makes it stand out is the smooth, minimalist design. It's not bulky or flashy, it's sleek, lightweight, and engineered to make your everyday carry feel premium. Imagine going hiking, attaching your flashlight, multi-tool, or whistle to this carabiner. Everything stays right where you want it. Simple, functional, and stylish, exactly what good EDC should be. Number 2. Nite's DoohicKey Keychain Multi-Tool. This little stainless steel tool packs 8 everyday functions into something smaller than your car key. It's got a box cutter, ruler, bottle opener, wrenches, flathead screwdriver, and even a serrated edge. What makes it amazing is how incredibly compact and TSA-friendly it is. You can take it through airport security without any issue, making it the perfect travel companion. Need to tighten a screw, open a box, or pop open a bottle after a long day? The DoohicKey's got you covered. It's built with precision machining, giving it a smooth feel in your hand and durability that lasts for years. And because it clips directly to your keychain, it's always within reach when you need it most. This is the kind of multi-tool you buy once, and then wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 3. SOG MACV Tactical EDC Tool. Inspired by the MACV SOG Special Forces emblem, this skull-shaped multi-tool isn't just cool looking, it's incredibly useful. It packs 12 tools into one durable stainless steel body, including a pry bar, screwdrivers, bottle opener, line cutter, blade sharpener, and hex wrenches. The black hardcase finish gives it a rugged, stealthy look while protecting it from rust and wear. This is a tool built for adventurers, whether you're camping, hiking, or working outdoors. The MACV tool is made to handle it all. Clip it onto your backpack, and you're carrying a little piece of tactical history that doubles as a reliable multi-use companion. It's small, strong, and ready for any challenge. Number 4. Mini Keychain Knife. This small folding knife is a lifesaver for all those tiny, everyday jobs, from opening Amazon packages to cutting rope, zip ties, or fruit while camping. It features a sharp stainless steel blade, a smooth one-handed opening mechanism, and a locking system that keeps the blade secure while in use. Despite being barely a few inches long, it feels sturdy and balanced in the hand. The compact design means it takes up almost no space, perfect for pockets, keychains, or even wallets. It's sleek, safe, and functional, proof that sometimes less really is more. Number 5. KeyUnity KK06 Mini EDC Knife. Made from titanium alloy with a 7CR17 stainless steel blade, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and razor-sharp. It's the perfect blend of durability and elegance, small enough to stay unnoticed, but strong enough to handle cutting, scraping, or trimming tasks with ease. This knife weighs less than a few coins, yet it performs like a full-size blade. The titanium finish gives it a premium feel, and the minimal design means it won't snag or rattle when attached to your keys. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a DIY fan, or someone who just loves sleek EDC gear, the KK06 is a must-have, a modern tool that balances design and performance perfectly. Number 6. Titanium Carabiner with Folding Knife. Here's a truly unique piece, a titanium carabiner that doubles as a folding knife. This hybrid design is perfect for those who want to save space without sacrificing functionality. Made from TC4 titanium and 420 stainless steel, This carabiner is ultralight yet tough as nails. The blade folds neatly into the carabiner frame, giving you a 2-in-1 gadget. Clip it, cut with it, carry it. Ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday use, this multi-tool makes you feel ready for anything. And let's not forget the minimalist design. Brushed titanium looks sleek and modern, and it resists rust, wear, and scratches like a champ. This one's for those who appreciate innovation in every inch of their gear. Number 7. Small pocket knife. Compact, sharp, and built for speed, this mini knife features a high-carbon stainless steel blade, ergonomic handle, and smooth folding mechanism. Perfect for quick cuts, light repairs, or outdoor cooking tasks. What makes it special is the portability. It's small enough to carry anywhere, but reliable enough for everyday challenges. Slip it into your jeans or hang it on your keychain. It's discreet yet always ready. It's the kind of knife you carry once and forget about, until the moment you absolutely need it. Number 8. Wallet Ninja Multitool Card. Now, this one's pure genius, the Wallet Ninja Multitool Card. Shaped like a credit card, this gadget fits perfectly in your wallet yet packs 18 tools in one. It includes screwdrivers, wrenches, a bottle opener, phone stand, fruit peeler, can opener, ruler, and even a nail puller. Made from heat-treated stainless steel, it's tough, rust-resistant, and built to last a lifetime. The best part? It's TSA approved, so you can carry it anywhere, even on flights. Need to fix a loose screw at work, open a package, or pop open a drink on the go? Your Wallet Ninja has you covered. It's simple, smart, and always within reach. Number 9. Carabiner Keychain Multitool. Now, let's look at something that's both practical and tactical, the Carabiner Keychain Multitool. This stainless steel multi-tool is shaped like a carabiner and includes 11 essential tools, from screwdrivers and wrenches to a bottle opener and even a glass breaker. It's lightweight, strong, and designed for emergencies. Whether you're out camping or just commuting, it's ready for quick fixes or unexpected moments. And because it's small and TSA safe, you can carry it everywhere without worrying about airport security. Attach it to your keys, backpack, or belt, and be prepared for anything. Number 10. Kershaw PT2 Compact Pry Tool. Finally, we have the Kershaw PT2 Compact Pry Tool, one of the most underrated EDC gadgets ever made. This mini pry bar offers 8 essential tools including flathead screwdrivers, a bottle opener, wire scraper, pry tip, and hex wrenches. Made from 8CR13 MACV stainless steel, it's extremely durable and built to take abuse. The textured handle provides excellent grip, even with gloves or wet hands. It's perfect for opening boxes, prying lids, or tightening screws on the go. It's compact, rugged, and minimalist, the definition of everyday carry efficiency. And there you have it, the 10 best keychain tools for everyday carry in 2025, combining compact design, versatility, and everyday reliability. These gadgets may be small, but each one packs a punch, ready to tackle daily tasks, outdoor adventures, and emergencies alike. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another honest review for you gadget breakdown. Until next time, stay sharp, stay prepared, and always keep it honest.